Hi guys, this is your grooming expert Akshir and I welcome you all to this brand new video series where I tell you all about easy tips and tricks about grooming yourself even from home. Today I'll be talking about how you can easily trim your beard at home and that too just like a pro. And guys, we're not just going to talk, we're going to do everything together because even I am with you in this. So without any further ado, let's just get right into what we need to do. Step 1. Collect the tools. Guys, before you start, you have to make sure that you have a razor sharp trimmer and all the length trimming combs with it. Step 2. Groom that neckline. First things first, you always gotta start from the bottom, which in this case is your neckline. Start by creating a mark with your trimmer just above the Adam's apple. Now, with the mark in the center of the neck, make a natural curved line till the right and left end of the beard. With the line clearly visible, simply clean the hair below it. Guys, to do this right and to get a sharp cut, using the trimmer correctly is very important. Rest the flat surface of the trimmer on your skin and move upwards, trimming the hair till the line you just made. Continue this on all parts of your neck till it's clean. Step 3. Sideburns. After the neckline is clean and looks sharp enough, we now move to the sideburns. Guys, we often overlook the sideburns when we trim our beard ourselves, but here we groom them as well. This is where you become a pro and trim the whole beard well, just like a stylist. For sideburns, you have to clean them from the outside, that is the part below the ear, and the inside, that is the part beside the ear. And that's it, your sideburns are ready. Step 4. Cheek line. Grooming the cheek line is most important as it's directly visible on your face. And essentially what we're doing here is making a line that connects your sideburns to your mustaches. There are a number of ways you can do this, but mainly it should depend upon what your style preference is and also according to your face and beard shape. I generally like to keep it naturally curved from the sideburns and connecting it just in line with my mustaches. Neither above nor below, just in line. Guys, once this line is made, you just need to trim off all the overgrown hair above it, following the same technique as we did on the neck. Step 5. Length trim. Guys, before you begin to trim the length of your beard, you really need to decide whether you want a shorter beard style or a longer one. Deciding the style of your beard would help you decide how short you want to trim your beard to. The next thing that you have to do is, according to your style, pick the right length trimming comb and mount it on your trimmer. Now, starting from the neck area, simply trim off all the hair that come with the comb. Here too, the technique of using the trimmer is important, keeping the flat surface on the skin and moving upwards. After the neck, we move on to the cheeks. Step 6. Mustaches. With mustaches, how you decide to trim them is totally dependent upon your personal preference, whether you want to keep a different style or keep it in sync with rest of the beard style. Some of the styles that you can experiment with are either growing the mustaches longer than the length of your beard or keeping the length same but the style different. I generally like to keep my mustaches and the chin area longer than the rest of the beard. To groom them, I just do two things. First, I cut the overgrown hair below the nose and above the lips. Then secondly, using the comb on the trimmer, I trim off the frizzy hair from the mustaches and the chin. And that's it, I'm done. And just like that, we've easily groomed the whole beard like a pro, and that too at home. First, we trimmed the neckline, then the sideburns, followed by the cheek line, a length trim, and lastly, treating the mustaches and the chin. That was simple, wasn't it? I really hope you got some valuable information from this video and I will be back with more grooming tutorials for you very soon. Till then, stay groomed and look dapper.